Paul here, making another video for the farm. And today, the main point of this video is to use what you have to save some money, and that's what we're doing. Winter's coming, so we've got to build a shelter for our mini horse and donkey. And so I've got these doors here. There's one on the tractor, big metal sliding doors that I've had for over 20 years and I've never used. And so we're doing a makeshift shelter because the winter storms get pretty bad and they need a place to get under cover. And so we're gonna put this up, and I'll show you. Our John Deere does most of the work, but we're gonna make a shelter out of these old doors and just scrap. And so the only thing it's going to cost us is some time, and we'll show you how all that works. Just be a quick little video, and but use what you have. There's no point in spending money. It's a farm. It doesn't have to look brand new. A lot of people think everything's got to be brand new, but it doesn't. It just needs to be functional. So I just, out of scrap wood, made this as a brace to help hold this end up. And we're just taking wire and holding it in place.
wheels are holding it.
wheels weren't anywhere near. Here. Go through there and tighten that up.
Got it.
Tighten that one up. We'll put another T-post in, and then we've got some political signs from politicians who lost in the race this November. We'll put them around on the fence. We'll have a perfect little shelter for the minis. On this side first, over here. Recycled stuff or things we haven't used, and you know, it's going to be very functional, and all it costs us was some time. There's no point in getting fancy. This is the political signs I was talking about. The election, November election, just is now over, and this is how we just take wire and punch it through, tie it down, and then that makes a windbreak, and we've got for rain protection, and the wind will blow from this angle, so that'll keep the horses covered. So everything here is recycled. We didn't spend any money on this. We just used stuff we had laying around, and it's maybe not the prettiest pole barn basically in the world, but you know what? It was free. We finished our project. What looks like 10 minutes maybe or so on the video actually took us 3 hours because we're slow. But anyway, it's very sturdy. It's wired to the fence. We've got T-post here, all wired together. It's all, and we've got the political sign back there. So this makes a nice little, and you can see our miniatures that they fit under here real nice. So this will be a great shelter for them this winter. And it didn't cost us anything but our time. So, you know, just to show you you can use what you've got. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like us and share us. That always helps our channel. And if you haven't, subscribe, please. We appreciate you watching.